In this video, we will learn how to use micro in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet. I have here some data. So I want to copy this data and paste in sheet number 2 with the proper format. Okay, so let's start. So I start the micro. Just click on the extension, click on the micro and record the micro. Here you can apply the absolute reference and use the relative reference. Absolute reference: when applying the micro, use the exact location as recorded. When applying the micro, use the active selection. So I use the absolute reference. Okay. So I just copy paste data in sheet number 2. Go to the sheet number 2 and Control V. Then I want to colors some, change the format. Okay. I want to change here alignment. Okay, then I want to highlight the profit column with the different color. Okay, then I want to change the font. Okay, this one is too nice. Okay, then I want to change. I want to edit some details here. I don't want financial area. Just delete this column and set it. So that's it, and save it. Sales data. Enter name. You can enter here your shortcut key. Ctrl+Alt+Shift and any number those you want to use as a shortcut key. Okay, I just 3. You can enter the Ctrl+Alt+Shift+3, then the micro is automatically run. That's it, micro is saved. Now I just delete the second sheet and add the new sheet. Okay, now in extension I'm use the micro. Here you can see the sales data micro is. Just click on it and running the script. Authorization is required. Okay, if you use the first time micro, you have to authorize to your Gmail account. So now you can run your micro. See, it's automatically. There is some is invalid arguments. I think I create here sheet number 3 now. So I just enter sheet number 2. So again I try to run the micro. So let's start. Just click on the extension, click on the micros and click on your recorded micro. The running start. Finished. That's it. See, all data is same formatted as I done in recording. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.